It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12-inch round canvas and some Prizm Pour and Primary Elements mixed up from Colour Arte, and you can purchase them at a 20% off discount if you check under the video. I'm going to put the blue velvet down and the passion. Blue velvet's a Prizm Pour. The passion is a primary element, as Prizm Pour is the frosted berry. And I have a Pebeo blue-green iridescent that I'm going to use today along with everything else. I have a Colour Arte Interference Violet. That's a primary element, I believe. And a Prizm Pour Colour Arte Deep Amethyst, which I'll be opening in a moment. I did just strain out 3/4 of a gallon of paint. And I haven't decided if I'm going to add GAC 800 to it or not. I think I better open the flap that allows me air in there. Come on. Oh, please. Yes, there we go. Now, I've been messing around with my turntable, so I'm not 100% sure that it's level today. Put that back in there. Get this right out of here. But I guess we'll find out in a minute. Whoa, that was not a good start. Let's just start the easy way. By spreading it, by moving the canvas. I know what's the matter. When I had my carpenter over and we were talking about making a spinner with arms, I took the silicone round off my turntable, which is a really good thing to have, by the way. And I see that paint moved. Alright, so I'm going to use some of this iridescent blue-green. And put the cap back on because I think that's going to be enough. And then the passion. I may not use all the colors I talked about, but I'm going to try. Here's a color I haven't talked about, which is the Mayan Gold. Put that back. And here's the Blue Velvet. Here's the Interference Violet, without the cat hair, please, which is stuck fast to the top. I have some Interference Violet Prizm Primary Elements, Ginger Flower, which is another primary element, which might be a lot the same as the passion. Maybe too much the same. For that, we'll use some of the Big Apple and Orange Crush combination. Which only makes me want to find the Tuscan Sun, which feels like it's been a while since I've used it. Because it seems like, yeah. Seems like it's not as mixed as I would have it. This is the Deep Amethyst. I feel like I'm missing a light blue color. And I've got a couple choices. One is Sea Dancer. I think that's it. I think the Sea Dancer will go really well with the Pebeo. Blue-green. Trying to get it go back in the box. I think that's almost toast. And the only other thing I have is Mermaid scales, which is somewhere between the Pebeo blue-green and the Sea Dancer, which is what I just put down there. I actually have some Cerulean blue, but I don't think I'm going to use it right now. Although I really love the Cerulean blue, so maybe I will change my mind. As long as it's moving. Now I definitely plan on doing a swipe with this, and I'm going to use Aussie Floetrol, and what I've got left right now is the Amsterdam Black, and I've got some Pebeo Iridescent Blue Violet along with the Amsterdam White. So I'm going to put my black down first. And then my blue violet. Oh, I'm dripping. And then my white. I'm going to throw that in the bucket of water and look to see if I have a skewer handy, which I do. I don't think it makes any difference what I do around the edge because I'm going to spin it out anyway. I almost feel like a comb rack would be in order. But I love my cells. And this was supposed to be kind of casual anyway. It might make a real mess that I'm going to have to clean up after dinner. Feels like it's kind of close and off center again. Yes. Wonder why that's happening today. Kind of want to put some white in there just to add some negative space. Go back the other way. I think it's going to be pretty. It's just not going to have a lot of negative space unless I find a way to add some. I could definitely add some more cell activator over at least a part of it, which I'm thinking is this part here. So I just grab a different spatula, and this time I'm going to use the white. And again, the Pebeo. And if I open the gold, maybe I'll use that too. Pebeo Iridescent Gold. And I see something in there that needs to come out. Because it's looking like it's got a... Nope. Wasn't what I thought. Okay, so now I have some paint. I'm happy to have a scrape dish. Not sure what I'll do with that, but I'll probably use it on the edges of the canvas. I see that one little white spot and I kind of like it. By the same token, I kind of want to mess with it. Add occasional spirals. I'm kind of wishing I had used GAC 800, but I like the design I've got with the white. I think maybe a straw is in order also. I don't think I got nearly enough paint off there. I like blowing spirals into things with straws. And then I'm going to have to twist that if I want it. That paint is so deep, there's just no chance this is going to come out without cracks. I really did want to add the GAC 800 to that gallon of paint, but it was a gallon of paint. And GAC 800 is like 80 bucks a gallon. Just going to keep spinning. It's very accidental. I'm still learning what to do. I haven't decided on an exact plan yet, but there will come a time when I do plan something out. And I think this is really pretty. But I'm totally going to spiral it in a few more ways. Because I can. Those cells are tremendous. Really pretty. I'm wondering what to do about all that white. But that might be the negative space that I was asking for, so maybe I shouldn't do anything about it. I want to try an experiment quickly with my palette knife and some of the black. Because I've never known if you could put black over white, but obviously you can. I think before I go into dinner I'm going to have to scrape up all that paint and put it in a dish and maybe come back after dinner and put it on a canvas because it's so pretty. And I'm almost all the way covered on my edges. I think as soon as I get finally covered on my edges, I might just allow whatever it's going to be. So I should tell you guys, I have over 2,600 videos. I'm pretty sure I probably got over 2,700. I just haven't looked lately. And my channel does okay, but it's not competing with anybody. So if you share my videos, you're a great assistance to me, and I really appreciate that. Your comments boost my morale. And your donations through PayPal are extremely appreciated. The icon is in the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner pop. I'm going to look for bubbles. I had a little white paint on my... No, I made a heart. It wasn't on purpose. Probably won't remain. But... whatever, I have got absolutely stunning cells everywhere. It reminds me of some kind of collage. So I'm going to try and get my camera, get my phone down and shimmer it at you while I tell you anything else that I need to tell you. Wow, hey, this is the bomb. I got what I wanted. I love it. And I might be covering little bits and pieces on my edges for a little while. Let's see if I can pull that toward us without blinding you. Excuse my head. There we go. Look at that beautiful thing. Wow, that's just a work of art. I'm so pleased. Those cells are tremendous. So make sure to look for that 20% off coupon code for Colour Arte products underneath the video, along with the website link that'll get you there. This is my moment of opportunity. Usually when I'm shining the light, I see what I need to pop for bubbles, and there are quite a few of them. If this comes out half as nice as it is right now, I should be styling. And I'm so happy you guys are here. Thank you for joining me. Whatever I haven't told you is I have a link tree. It has all my links on it, and there's Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Appreciation group is for students on Facebook. I said that, didn't I? Never mind. Anyway, it's after happy hour, so I have no excuse. Well, maybe that's wrong. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I have 2 books on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. And if you shop the Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you. If you want to get in touch with me to inquire about the purchase of an artwork, you're more than welcome to. Use my email address, easpb and the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. I want to camouflage that. Still a little purple. Yay! And I'll just keep looking for more bubbles. The sharp end of a skewer. Oh, this is just tremendous. I'm in love with this piece. Woo! I'm styling. But it will take me 15 minutes to clean up after it. Anyway, so I think I told you already, I love you. And I'll see you anon. Whatever I didn't tell you, you'll see in another video. On the link tree, I should say, before I go, I do sell my artwork, and I do good classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. So if you check my link tree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Society 6, Legalers Clothing, and my website if you should like to visit. Thank you guys, again, for all the wonderful comments and kind words. You keep my morale boosted. I'm so excited about this one, I can't even tell you. Feels kind of like weird because I like to do things on purpose, but I also love accidental art. So I gotta quit spinning that. I'll say goodbye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Woo! Woo! See you anon. Priscilla out.